Ask me a question.
Have you seen One Piece?
Huh?
Have you seen One Piece?
Lemke?
One Piece.
Web keys?
No.
I can't really hear. Sorry.
Have you seen One Piece?
1 second.
Oh my god.
Okay. I should be good now.
Have you seen One Piece?
No.
It's good.
Okay, what is it?
It's an anime.
Oh, it's that anime you were talking about.
Yeah.
Oh gosh, that's my special child.
If you made an anime, what would it be about?
Oh, if I made an anime, what would it be about?
Yeah.
Oh gosh, okay, it's gonna be like okay.
Like what
Okay,
genre?
it's gonna be
Would
like
it be like
it would be
action
like
or would
these
it be
3 adventurers kind of thing. Like it's like kind of like Pokemon, you know, like 15-year-old boy who like finds a secret like this like secret like map or something.
Okay.
And like it tells him to like be a bird.
What?
And to be a bird, it says you have to go to the lost island of like Kuwapwa or something. I don't know.
To become a bird.
And then
go to the bird shrine or something, right?
Then be a bird. Then it like finds like a secret diamond or something, eats it, then turns into a bird.
So he's going to the island to become a bird. That's why he's
yes,
going.
like that. Yeah.
But why is he listening to the map? How does he know it's a good thing to be a bird?
Well, he doesn't know that yet until he eats the diamond, and then he sees like these hallucinations and that stuff, like visions of his past self, and he realizes his spirit animal is a bird, and then he goes into like this trance kind of thing, and like it's Zelda, like he goes to sleep for like 1,000 years, and then it's like Zelda, like this hideous creature came.
Okay. What would it be called? What would be the name of it?
The Lost Secrets.
The Lost Secrets.
I don't know.
It should have the word bird in it somewhere.
Okay, Birdie Island.
Birdie Island.
Birdie Island.